What's up everyone, welcome again to Knowledge Joe channel. So for today's video we will have our daily trading because every single day I will always have my trading techniques to share with you. So I hope that you will learn something from my daily trading. The only purpose that I want to share this video is to give you a technique or something for you to learn in your own practice in IQ options. Especially with this kind of trading, you really need on what we call concentration, patience, and wait. Especially I was talking about discipline in this video also, because if you don't have the discipline in trading, it's really difficult to really get into profit in this kinds of trading, because discipline is the rule number one in every kind of trading. I'm not talking just on the binary option. I'm talking in any kinds of trading, forex trading, stock trading, option trading, or any kinds of trading that you are investing into. You need to have this kind of great patience and disciplines. So without these two key, it's really difficult to really make profit. Most of the people who are more focused on a technique and strategy, believe me, technique and strategy, it's work in almost every kinds of techniques. But the most important thing, how you can manage your account and how you can manage your emotions in the trading, because a lot of people lost the money. It's not because of the technique and strategy that they are using, because they are lacking of the risk management, the account management, and the money management, especially their emotion. This is the very important kind of trading in technique. Okay, I see that they are rising back up to this support resistance level. Now the candles start to fall back a lot here. I believe that the price could drop back to this. Let me draw the trend line here, because I want to know where it should go back up higher, because you see that there are resistance. We believe that when the candle fall at the resistance, and you must have another one in mind that prepare for the rising also. You see that the price is dropped, right? The price is dropped, but you must have something in mind that where it will be back up. So that is the key one. So we look at this trend. We see that from here, from the bottom here up to there to the resistance line, this is where the price get back up. So you see that you see a resistance fall, but this is where the price get back up. So that's why you needed to really carefully trade on any kinds of trading. Look in the possibility in the reversal and in the trend. There's a trend line and there's also the reversal line. So we have to check where it's going to through that trend and where it start to fall back after that trend. That is the key points in my trade. This is what I want you to learn and take that into your practice, into your account. So I can see that it's fall at the resistance and then it's rise at the trend line. See that? So if I am, not very careful, I can just go quickly onto the fall. Then it's come touch to the trend line where it's normally every time when you draw the trend line, every time when the price come close to that trend line, you have to be careful on that trend line, because it is possible that it's going to get back up. So that's why we are studying both. So the trend, and then the support, and then the resistance, and most important of all, stick to the rule. Be patient and wait. We are not just jumps into the trade so quickly and so immediately. So here I can see that they create a very strong resistance. They are trying to ride back at the trend line, but it's failed. And then when I see this falling, and I see that the volume is great, this is the opportunity that I can go on to the fall after this one. I believe that the resistance is strong enough to break this resistance line, and now the candle is just out of the resistance line. This is a possible that you can go into lower. Let me check on the possible trend line right here. With that great volumes right here, sometimes it's not 100% guarantee on that break trend line here. But I believe that this trend will fall. They are not going to break their resistance around there. Even though you see that the price, the trend line is just touching, it keep on, step back here, they step back to here, and then they create a new trend right here, step back to here. Okay, so we missed here, back to the resistance. So let's wait for it to fall back again. I will wait for that to fall back again with $150 just to recover my $100 loss, and then with a 45 winning. So we will check on this one again. So it's getting to touch that trend line again. We call that resistance line back again one more time. So if I lost 250 this time, and that's it, will be my day, because I will take a rest now, because 2 straight losing is not a good sign. So we'll wait for the other days, for like maybe tomorrow we'll be back to trade again. If I lose this one, that's not a good sign. Okay, so I wait for this. We have the doji. Is the reversal? It can be going back up. We don't know. But if this one going to be what I can say, if this going to be bearish candle, it's really good, because it's confirmed me that I already mentioned that this price will drop. I just have mentioned that this price will drop, but I was wrong at this strong candles, but they reverse. Very strong candle here. It's a very strong bearish candle. Then I just jump in 100 here in the trade, and then this get back up. So now it's getting doji right here. So if this is going to be a bearish, I believe that more will be on the bearish up downward. If this one going to be a doji, yes. So it can be, stay in that conflict between bullish and bearish. So there is no sign that giving us the signs of winning. We don't see any signs of winning when you see doji. Doji is something we call indecision candle. So the candle is undecided whether it's going to be bull or whether it's going to be bearish. So that's why when you see doji, just wait and find out what is the next candle after the doji. You can see that the bull back and touch the resistance one more times. So let's see. That can be happening after this bullish. I want one more candle to help me to confirm the break of the resistance, because this is not a convincing. You look at the volume. I mean the number of people who doing trade, they're actually pretty low on that point. When you see on the bullish, pretty low on the volume, it's really a possible something is not right. Maybe they're waiting to sell at some point, and the volume of the sell just straight drop. This is, I can say that more will be on to bearish for sure. Okay, $150 onto bearish after I see this. super strong long candle, and I believe that the next one going to be the next red candle. So okay, ready for go. And it's pretty strong to get back the position where I lost at here. When I go here, and then they just back into a bull candle, and then we see double doji, and then the next one is bull hit. It just hit the resistance, and then this candle just jump in. It means that you see at the volume here compared to the bull volume, you can see that the bear volume is pretty strong compared to the bull volumes, right? You can see that, right? So when it's come to hit that resistance, then the bear not happy with that one. There's no volume onto the bull, so the bear just start to hit in the volume, and the volume is just much power and much greater than the volume at the resistance level, and then the price will continue to drop. So that's my prediction, guys. So I get my $42 in profits because I lost $100 in the first bet. Okay, so we have one bet right, one bet lost. So it will continue to fall. That's what I am going to say after this. It's going to fall more, I believe, because the bear seem like pretty strong in the volume now. It seems like they're going to take that power and then bring that into this kind of market and bring that all down. So the price is falling straight. Okay, we have $42 in profit. So the next one will be our last trade. So we will close our trade here. So we lose the trade. That's it for today. So that's it for today that I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show. I believe that more will be onto bearish. Look at that, strong, and then bearish here. Okay, let's go. This one will be the last one. That will be it for today. That will be like $180 in profit. So it will be fine for me for today. And we will see you again in a couple of days. Because tomorrow I have a class going on, so I will be teaching for the IQ option startup course, where all the students will get to learn all the detail, how I see the market, how I predict the markets, and how you get a very good firm on your knowledge in candle, in market, and overall kinds of strategy that I will introduce to the new student in my class. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Pretty quick videos to update you since the last week that I have not updated any videos since Friday up until today's Monday. So I try to trade on myself, set the target on myself, and then record the videos, and I hope that you learn something from what I am trading here in this video. So if you like my video, so don't forget to smash that like button. That will be so thank you for that. And if you want your friends, or if you know anyone who are doing this kind of trading and you want them to have the basic knowledge in this kind of trading, so share the videos to them and recommend them to the channel so that they can learn how to trade. So I will have live trade after my teaching. Actually, it will be like 3 days. Will be on Tuesdays. Will be the class will begin in 27, 28, 29, and then we'll be back for sure. I will be promised that I will try to make a lot of live video so that you can learn why I am like doing live. So you can just comments, chats, and ask questions live, and watch how I trade in actual real market trading. Okay, Actually, I also introduced to a new technique on 5-minute trading technique. I believe that this 5-minute trading technique is really help you to manage the risk. Is really going to help you to get profit every single day, because I believe that 5-minute strategy is much safer for the new, especially like new traders. So you need to take time, don't jump into 1 minute, because it's kind of quick. When something going wrong, it's pretty tough for you to get back to where you started. So in 5 minutes, maybe one candle is wrong, but it can be like back to profit in the last 4 or 5 minutes. So that's why I recommend is to use 5-minute strategy. I will have the videos about that too. Okay, stay tuned to the channel and have a good ones. Bye bye.